Okay, so here we're going to adjust the dash pots to see a solvent B. In this case it's acetone, but in your case it may be heptane, with solvent A being toluene or heptane. Perhaps solvent B is hexane, which is also difficult for the optical sensors to see if they've been set to read toluene or heptane as the solvent A. The first thing you need to do is log in as the manager. Manager has no password. Then choose the side, the bath, that you want to adjust the sensor on. In this case we are going to adjust bath 1. So we slide the screen to bath 1. We need to raise a vial into position in order to evacuate the solvent after it's been drawn up into the dosing chamber. So remember to do this right now. A nice safety precaution. You will only see the control valves menu item if you are logged in as either a manager or Canon instrument company. Okay, this is critical. We need to draw the solvent B into the dosing chamber. So follow the trace into the chamber, into the vacuum. Now, this is critical. When you start, or to start it, you must click Change States. You will have approximately 3 seconds before you are able to stop these pumps. So please allow the solvent to fill the dosing chamber completely, a little bit above the indicator, before you stop the pumps. Otherwise you'll have to restart the pumps and it may draw too high. We turn it on, watching the dosing chamber. If we stop too low, the top sensor is not covered. Okay, this is the problem. We come back. We turn it on again. Watching in here, we have to turn it off very quickly. If we had drawn the solvent too high into the dosing chamber, but not high enough to cover the top sensor, then that would have been difficult to turn the pump off in time before the solvent would have been drawn through the tubing up into the regulator valves here. So try to draw the solvent, in this case a solvent B bottle, all the way into the dosing chamber before you stop the pumps. Now, here's the critical adjustment. The top sensor, the top LED is not lit right now. Using an adjustment stick, the sensor just came on. Now I turn that one additional turn, half turn, to make certain that it's good. There is a lot of play. I have only turned the sensor for the adjustment of the dash pot a half a turn past the on point. If I try to turn it off by rotating clockwise, I'll probably have to turn approximately 10 turns before the sensor turns off. Sensor just turned off. Now if I go to back it the other direction, I'm turning a lot before the sensor turns on, and then another half turn. That's just how these potentiometers work though. Okay, there is approximately 6 to 10 turns between the on and the off indication. Then you need to empty the solvent. Coming back to the valve state screen, we will use the pressure pump to blow the solvent down into the tube through the A pipe. We will use the vacuum pump to draw the solvent out of the cup. That's all there is to it.